Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a productive day in my life. I'm just gonna be vlogging for this day. So I woke up in the morning, I had some breakfast, I did some editing, and then I got ready to film. So I filmed a video for my main channel, like a normal sit down video, which you guys would probably have seen before this, I think. And then right now, okay, life update, I don't know if I mentioned, but I moved houses. So currently trying to just like figure out my closet and fix it. So what I have right now is just basically, I was sorting this out. So I just have like a few of my like blazers, denim jackets, some sweaters here, like the less chunkier ones, a few shirts, like all my white blouses are here. This is my black long coat, and then just a few of other random stuff here. In the process of like making what do you call it, like a dresser or like a dressing table and whatnot. So this is just gonna stay here for the time being. This is just like stuff that I use every day: my toner, my face spray, my toothbrushes in a container. This is just here temporarily, low-key trying to sort this out. And then I have like all my bags up there, some in dust bags. That is the one that I'm currently carrying, so it's not in a dust bag yet. And then everything else, these are like my main tops, bodysuit tops that I wear a lot, underclothes, especially clothes that have like a revealing chest area or something. And then in the back I have like my pants, and then those are my leggings, and those are my batis, and then t-shirts. Yep, the other two are like kind of messy, so I'm not gonna show you. But that is basically what I've been up to all day. I wish I did vlog some of that stuff, but I didn't. But I really wanted to share with you a couple of stuff. First is a pair of eyelashes that I received from Winx. Are they called Winx? Yes, the eyelash company is called Winx, and they were kind enough to send me a pair of their eyelashes in style Angel. That's what it looks like. A bit dramatic than my everyday like lash that I usually wear, but I'm willing to give it a try. The next stuff that I wanted to show you guys is actually from Bandari Beauty. I think I should just sit down for this maybe. Okay, I think this is a better unboxing style. So that's my address. Bandari Beauty, Maureen Bandari. I don't know if you guys know, she's a blogger from Mombasa. She owns like a shop where she stocks like makeup from all these famous brands, drugstore to high-end, name it all, makeup and skincare. She introduced a beauty box subscription, basically kind of like what BoxyCharm is doing right now. So you get about 4 to 5 like full-size products in a subscription box, and you wouldn't pay full price for each product. Basically be like a subsidized amount, if that makes sense. I'm sure the box goes for 6,000. Calculate like all the products coming together, they go for 7,500. So you get a percentage off. So she was kind enough to send me her February box, and that's what the box looks like. Inside it just says you are beautiful. So cute. So the first thing in here is super exciting. Actually, it is a eyeshadow palette from Revolution Makeup, and it's in their Precious Stone Ruby palette, which I'm actually super excited. I don't have a lot of like pink eyeshadows. That's what it looks like. I used this yesterday, and the red one as well, Flirt. These are so beautiful. I can't wait to use this. I like the fact that it comes like a really large mirror. Super excited. The second thing in here, is a blush palette by Technique. This is their Technique blush palette Cool Edit. Oh, so these are cool toned blushes, which I'm very excited about. I don't have a lot of like pink blushes. The blushes that I gravitate towards are usually like brownish shades. So that's what it looks like. Two of these are like, I don't think you can tell through the camera, but two of these are shimmer blushes. So I think this would probably pass as a highlight for me, like a highlight. And then these are like matte blushes. And okay, the two next things are from Canvas Cosmetics, and it's what I'm wearing right now. So there's a lip liner in here, plumping lip liner in the shade Pink 1, a very mauvey lip liner, right up my alley. And then the second one is a liquid lipstick, in matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mulberry. It's like a very perfect pink shade. I'm not going to swatch it because you guys can see like what it looks on my lips. Like a very pinky fuchsia. Fuchsia is a shade, magenta, fuchsia, somewhere in there. And then the final thing in here is actually a nail polish. So this is a local brand. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about Canvas Cosmetics. They are a local brand, and so is the nail polish. It's by the brand Thamar, and it's in the shade Fearless Moran. It's like a very lovely red, perfect for this season, for this Valentine's season. So can't wait to play with this. I don't actually own any red nail polishes, but this is a very lovely addition to my collection. And that is all in the beauty box. I'm gonna leave her IG page down below so you guys can go check it out if you're trying to copy yourself a box. I'm gonna leave all her details down below so you guys can check her out. The good thing about like subscription boxes is you get to try a lot of different products in different times, so it's very exciting. Now try to clean up a bit. Like I made a bit of a mess right now when I was trying to film, so I'm gonna clean that up. And then I'm meeting a friend after this. It's kind of like 3:30, but I'm meeting a friend for lunch, like a late lunch sort of thing. So I haven't seen her in a bit. I know you're wondering like this doesn't go. It's because I just put this on for the purpose of the video. Finished eating. Oh, we have come to the end of a long but productive day. I know it looks like I've been crying my eyes out, but I've actually been laughing my eyes out. It's currently like midnight and I'm trying to wash my face before it gets too late and do a little bit of skincare, because if I don't, I will fall asleep with this face. And fun fact, my bathroom now has a very cool mirror that came installed like this, so I have no idea where the mirror is from, but I'm very grateful because it looks like I have a ring light in my life forever. But I just wanted to share what I will use on my skin like more diligently. I don't know if you guys are following me on Instagram, but I did share like a more quick like morning routine for my skin. But I feel like I've been wearing makeup these past few days a lot of events, a lot of meetings, a lot of filming going on, so I've just been wearing makeup. So I'm just trying to give my skin a little bit of TLC before the night ends. That means I'm probably gonna go to bed late, but that's fine because that would give me enough time. I want to put on a face mask obviously, so that would give me enough time to edit a video, at least a good chunk of it, and then I could probably go to sleep. But let me just share with you guys a few of the products that I'm going to use, because I don't think I'm going to speak throughout this. I want to put like a time lapse basically of me cleaning my skin and everything, which I feel like the previous vlog I had the same thing, but content. But let me just share with you guys really quick what I use. So basically, to clean my skin, I use this. This is a foam bottle. I'm gonna focus. This is a foam bottle from Miniso. Basically what it does, it just makes regular like liquid soap turn into foam. And I got the bottle from Miniso. I think it was going for like about 400 or 300, I can't remember. But what I have inside here is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap in the lavender one. So that's just what I have in here. And then once I'm done with that, I'm probably gonna go in with this new bad boy that I got from True Cosmetics. This is a, oops, the lights went off. This is a Pure Clay exfoliating gel wash. It has like little small red algae clay particles, very gentle by the skin, so I feel like I just need a good exfoliation. And then follow it up with the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Spot Proofing Wash Stroke Mask. I'm going to use this as a face mask. I really liked it. I really like it. My sister had this mask before and I used it a couple of times and I really liked it, so I decided to get myself one. This was from True Cosmetics as well. And then the fun stuff, tone my face as usual. I don't think my skin would be where it is today if I wasn't using any sort of like chemical exfoliant. This is glycolic acid. The reason why I'm whispering is because everyone else in the house is sleeping. I'm not trying to wake anyone. Then after that, I will be using the Seraphic Skin Elvish Potion. I'm going to use this because of the niacinamide in here that will hopefully help with my dark spots. And then follow it up with my azelaic acid. I know that sounds like a lot of acids going in my skin, but it's honestly the best combination that's worked for my skin so far, so I'm sticking to it. This really helps in my texture, so I'm not letting this go at all. And then moisturize my face. This is the Neutrogena water gel moisturizer. Guys, I can't speak. I have like a little small square of like a cotton square for this. That's why I just placed it on top of here. And then finally, I usually do like a double moisturize just to seal in all the moisture from all of this, and I use this beauty oil which is practically out, so I'm probably gonna get a refill or try a different type of beauty oil. That's basically my skincare routine. So right now I'm gonna put you guys down. Back. Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. So I am gonna let this sit for probably like 10 to 15 minutes before I decide to wash it off, and then probably go to bed after that. I do not think I will film the rest. Actually, I do. I am finally done. My face is back to default settings, and I think I'm gonna go straight to bed right now because I'm feeling so exhausted and very tired, and I want to wake up at a good time tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoy this day in the life. I don't think I've ever vlogged like a full day in my life and what I was up to the whole day. This was fun. I can't wait to do more of these. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these type of videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to join the fam. Good night and